You know, I said we smashed it out. We didn't, we fucked it up.
No, who's we? Hey guys, welcome back to MK5 Rusteration. Throughout this video and many future videos, we're going to be doing random comment shout-outs. So some of the comments from the previous videos and the future videos will be flashing up on screen or saying them out individually. Also make yourself known in that comment section down below and smash that like and the subscribe button because it lets YouTube know that you enjoy the content and it pushes it out to new people.
In this video, we're going to be starting on this front structure and working our way backwards. So we need to get off this wing, we need to get this bonnet off, and we need to get down to this front chassis leg. So, that said, let's grab some tools.
Wait. We need to get off this wing?
Yeah, get off this wing.
Right, so we're first going to start on this front structure. It's already been extensively repaired before, as you can see from all these weld marks. We've had an end scope inside and it is actually structurally sound, it's just a bit messy. So I'm going to clean all this up. I'm also going to clean up inside this arch. I'm going to jack it up, put it on axle stands and see exactly what condition this inner arch is in. I'm also going to clean up this chassis rail and see what we need to do on there as well. So I made the bottom of the chassis rail and made this anti-roll bar mount support. This fits on here, like that. What we've also made is this panel here. So we made this before we actually had the YouTube channel, and it's made out of 2 pieces. This is an existing piece which came with the car, and this is a new piece that we fabricated, and it's all welded in. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean this area up here on the bottom as well, and then we'll weld this in and move on to the next piece. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. As you can see, we've got the bottom of the chassis rail welded in and this front headlight support.
Catch you in our next video where we're going to be finishing this inner arch and the top of this upper wing structure.
If you did enjoy the video, make sure you smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, click that bell notification icon as well so it notifies you whenever we drop an upload. Leave a comment down below, click here to subscribe, click here for the Datsun playlist,
And click here for more of our content.
and with that being said, we will catch you in the next one. You fucked up the last bit.
You fucked up all the first bits.
Straight down. Yeah. We flash them up on screen or send them out into video.